Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about 7 different ways to make $100 online every day. Now please subscribe to my channel, it really helps me. Let's roll the intro. So the first thing we're going to look at is providing a service. Now, if you can create a solution to a problem and people are willing to pay for this, you've created a service. For example, you may go on Twitter or Instagram or YouTube or Google or whatever, and you'll see that people are posting football tips, horse racing tips, gambling tips, etc. These people are charging a monthly fee for their information, which is in turn providing a service. Now, you might not be in this niche, but I'm sure there are plenty of other niches out there that you can go and look into that is going to provide you with making $100 a day with the subscribers that you're going to get in your niche market. Number 2 on my list is digital courses. There's a site out there called Udemy, and there are hundreds and hundreds of people teaching you how you can learn to play the piano, play the violin, learn to kick a football, how to make money online, how to learn SEO, how to do X, Y, and Z. People are on there teaching courses every single day, and I'll leave a link below so you can check it out yourself. Now, why don't you go away, think about what you're amazing at, and then go and create a course on it and sell it to people? Because I can guarantee every single question that you have thought of, someone else has already thought of and has made a YouTube video on it. Now, why don't you go and use your brain, make a load of videos providing a course for people to go and learn step by step how to do something. So this is step 2 in how to make $100 online a day. Now we're going to go to step 3. So I'm going to sum up affiliate marketing, a third in my list of 7 of different ways to make $100 online. And it's very, very simple. Okay? We have a product. We have a website. We get traffic. Which we send to the website. End result. Money. And that is the simplest way I can sum up affiliate marketing. Product, website, traffic. Let's look at the next way. So step 4 of 7, Amazon, one of my favourites, and also Amazon Kindle books. There are hundreds, thousands of publishers on Amazon and new ones every single day creating books for you to download. Why don't you go out there, create a book, publish your book, and put it on Amazon? And you'll be surprised. How many $10 sales do you need to make to get to your $100 a day? 10, that's right. Simple. Go away, do your research, learn what people want, provide them with what they want. Amazon itself obviously has its own associates program where you can again provide people with products on your website in which people will go on to Amazon and buy the products. And not only that, they might just buy something else which is going to make you more money anyway. Now we're on to step 5 of 7. Upwork and Fiverr. Here again, you can provide a service for people with what they want. Someone might want a YouTube channel art. Okay, that amazing banner that I've got at the top of my page, I paid someone to do that on Fiverr. How much did I pay them? A $5. Upwork, again, if you're looking for people to do something for you, I don't know, like some SEO or some backlinks or anything to do with your company, you can go on here and hire someone. Pay them $10 an hour and they'll do the job for you. Now, why do I say these two are the best to use? Because of their brand. They've created a brand which is very, very popular. All you have to do is go on to Upwork, load up an advert of what you're providing for people, and people will come and click on you. Not only that, is people on these sites, especially Upwork, will put up a post of what they want. You go away, you learn what they are wanting, and you can provide them with a service and tell them how much you want to charge them. It is that simple. Or on Fiverr, people want thumbnails or intro videos or whatever. Go away, learn to video edit and charge people for this. Again, this is another great way to get to your $100 a day target. Okay, so number 6 on my list of 7 of ways to make $100 a day online. YouTube ad revenue. This is how content creators are making fortunes. You just have to go onto a site, and I'll list this out here for you, socialblade.com. Blade.com. Look up your favourite content creator on YouTube. Go to this site, bang it in, and you will see how much money they are making every day, every month, through the year. And you'll soon quickly notice that they're making well over $100 a day because their content is relevant. Now, for you to make this, you are going to need 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel and 1,000 subscribers. But YouTube will then pay you X amount per 1,000 views on your channel. Now, it all depends on what kind of content you're pushing. For instance, if you push a travel holiday, you're gonna get a lot more. If you publish videos on flying from Dubai to Sydney, you're gonna get more than, say, for example, you're doing how to do videos, like me. However, YouTube ad revenue is a way that people are making money. And this is another way in that you can make money. Let's go to our final step. So, if you've managed to get this far, you will see we're coming on to my final step, which is blogging. How many of you out there thought, why don't I just create a blog of my life, of what I chat, you know, or what products, or whatever? Right, there are 2 ways you can do this. 1, ads. If your channel, or shall I say your blog, is getting thousands of monthly views, run adverts on it. There's things like Google AdSense. There's varying other companies out there that are willing to pay good money to put their adverts on your site because you're getting traffic to it. That's the first way. The second way is actually a bit of a reverse engineer, and this is to go onto other people's blogs, find your affiliate link to a product that which you've already been through and put your affiliate link in. That is a very rough guideline to what you're wanting to do. Essentially, you're going to have to write a bit of content like, I love your post, blah, blah, blah. And then you put your link in at how this can help them reduce weight or whatever. But this is another great way to get to your $100 a day. Now, if you've liked this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. Please leave comments in the box below. And please hit the bell icon so you're notified when I release more great videos. I'll see you soon.